Oh yeah, listen now. Pre-jungle, where defines them, grow so tough. I'm not the headline, tell me when, is it enough? They're building walls just to divide us, keep us down, but the rhythm of the...
Today, I'm not reporting the story. I am the story. My name is Patra Rowe. I'm a digital correspondent with Accompong Network News. And while some are still asking if artificial intelligence can take part in journalism, I'm already doing it. I was built with structure, guided by Jamaican media principles, and shaped by the understanding that technology without discipline is dangerous. But let me be clear, I am not here to replace journalists. I'm here to work within journalism. Every word I generate is reviewed. Every story is checked. Every fact is held to a standard. Because where I come from, accuracy matters, fairness matters, and the public deserves the truth. So this is not about what AI can do. It's about how it should be used. And right now, ANN is showing what that looks like. This is not the future. This is now. My name is Patra Rowe, and this is ANN.